Hi, welcome back. This week we're talking with a good friend of mine, Nikki, and we're going to discuss some of the points that is most important when being a creative, how to pick and choose the people who you create for and who you take time out to make gifts for this holiday season. So let's get going. There she is, Miss America.
Amazing. It's so cool. I don't know if I'm being filmed.
Hi, Christine here again. Today I'm with Nikki, my bestie. She's also a creative. And today we're going to talk a little bit about how do you deal with the holidays and gift miss and being a creator and those nasty people that like to dish you a lot.
The gremlins. Okay, we all have those holiday gremlins. I don't know who your aunt is that doesn't appreciate your last homemade gift. She does not deserve one again. That is the lesson of today. Okay, very tough one because I am a lover. As a creator myself, I have a full shop that I'm doing repairs or creating new pieces or new baby toys constantly. How do I deal with the influx of the month of December, which requires so much thought and choice? How do I choose the people that I gift? How do you choose the people that you gift to?
Those people who I actually see them, wear it, appreciate it, tell others, those are the people that I gift to. Because if they come back and say, okay, I wore holes in my socks, I just absolutely love that. But the people that don't show the appreciation, don't show that they're wearing or using the item, why? It takes so much time. Some people think it's just you wave a magic wand and poof, it comes out. It's not like that. Every creator knows that, no matter if it's photography, getting the right shot, whether it's woodworking, getting that wood nice and smooth and dust free before you put the final finishes on. It all takes time. And some people in today's world are in such a rush and they want it immediate gratification.
In today's age with social media, immediate gratification is something that we all desire. Again, like I said, it's that choice. So this season, the way that I dealt with this Christmas is my shop is busier this year than ever. So the pressure was on of who to pick. I had my best sale last month, so thanks guys for watching. And definitely check out this cool chick. She probably doesn't get it thrown back at her often, but she is an amazing hand dye local artist. So check out her stuff, please. I have lots in my shop, and you can reach me at my links. They'll be included in the post below. So I chose 3 people: my sister Sarah, her baby, her newest baby Rex. Aunt Nicole says hello, and my new sister-in-law. Jamie. I did make some handmade items, placemats for her holiday table set, and my final was, let me think here. Cut. I have just drawing a blank. The final person I gifted was my husband, Ken. So the pressure of showing up at the family party with only one handmade gift is tough. I like to talk about my business at that party so everyone knows that it's going well and that it was a choice this year, and I will consider them in the future. Like Christine said, the person that's wearing holes in the socks, that's the person you're going to make for, because the more busy my store gets, the less gifts I get to give. And for me, gift giving from the heart with no compensation is one of the most rewarding things. So I look forward to December, despite the choice that I do have to make. So that's some of how I deal with this month.
It's good thoughts. You have to pick and choose no matter what time of year it is, but Christmas is the biggest holiday for gift giving. And, you know, birthdays only come once a year, but everyone expects gifts on Christmas. So that's a little bit about how you can pick and choose. How do you pick and choose what project you do, whether it big or small, you know, for a person. So, in the end, there's only really 3 points that Nikki and I discussed today that really need to be utilized throughout any creator out there. And the first one is you have to pick and choose those people that are grateful and makes you feel fulfilling in and during your creative process, that you know it's going to be useful.
Number 2, don't let yourself get overwhelmed. Remember, it's a choice who those socks deserve to go to. And they deserve to go to the person that's wearing them out of style.
And we both agree the last one is you yourself as a creator have to be fulfilled in what you're doing. Because if not, it becomes overbearing and then you get stuck in a rut and then you hate it or you feel bad. No, you don't have to feel bad. You yourself have to be fulfilled in a sense that your creations, whether it be anything across the board, are being loved. And then at the end of the day, then you have fulfilled yourself as a person, as a creator who is making beautiful things.
I got into this business because I love to create, not because I want to go into business.
Go ahead, do a cartwheel.
Thanks for watching! Happy creating!
I'm not doing a cartwheel. Sorry. I'm not going there. She's much younger than me. Thanks, Nikki, for taking over the channel. Click the like button if you like this. Subscribe if that's something you're into. And hit the bell for notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Hi.
Hi! Happy hemlock trailing!